someday. You know, that's the kind of jewelry I would love to wear.
You know, that's so
it's
wonderful
true.
because really, for the customers that have just found us, or just learning about our collection. This is a cute story. The first time we went over to London, and I took the boys, and I think they were maybe 11 and 12, and it was cold. It was Thanksgiving weekend.
Yeah.
We had a little extra, few days off, so I decided we'd go over there. And I did a trunk show to teach the people in this store about the jewelry and so forth. Well, I was all dolled up for my meeting, but then we went back to the hotel, and we were going to hoof it. I mean, when we go on vacation, you put your sneakers on, and we are going to go walk. Those children had blisters on the bottoms of their feet, but they saw the Tower of London. We saw everything. Oh, yeah. We were everywhere. And it was cold, and it was raining sideways, and it was miserable, but that's okay. Get your sneakers on. We're going.
Yeah, right.
So I wanted to show the boys the jewelry at this wonderful store that we're talking about. Very, very, very fancy. So, of course, we're there, and I'm showing them where the jewelry is, and we were kind of across the way, and I see a lady that is in the act of purchasing some of the jewelry. Right. And don't you know, my little Alexander, he had a broken wrist at the time, and he's got this cast on. He looks like Oliver Twist, because he has a cap on his head. He's got like an old ratty coat on. He looks like, I don't know what. Probably a runny nose. And he goes over to this obviously very fancy lady and says, my mommy made that necklace. And this woman looks at this kid like, are you kidding me?
Really, kid?
Yeah, really. Call somebody. Get this child out of here.
Oh, how funny.
Yeah.
How cute.
Oh, it was absolutely, I'll never forget that story. It was just the cutest thing.
Oh, did you go up to her?
Yeah, I really didn't, because I had changed myself. I was in my walking gear, so I had no right going over to her.
Heidi and the family may have been escorted out.
They were like, you really so don't belong here.
How cute.
It was cute. And then, I have this redheaded child. He is my oldest, and he looks just like Prince Harry. When people say he looks a lot like Prince Harry. Oh, yeah. And so this woman was chasing him around the the airport when we were leaving. And my little Alexander, he's like a little devil. He goes, the prince really is very tired right now and doesn't want to talk. Can you imagine?
Oh, how fun.
Cute.
What great memories.
Oh, really, really
cute.
So cute. Oh. So much fun.
See, that's what it's all about. When you're shopping with Heidi, like I said, the passion, everything just comes through so beautifully. I only have 2 minutes remaining on this ring. We haven't even said much about it, but over 400 have been spoken for, and no wonder. Brand new, $39.95. Look at those colors, the diamond-like colors. Those, what is that bluish green, that mintish green?
They call that, isn't it really special? It's called chrysolite in the Swarovski jewelry world.
Oh, I love
their color chart. Yep, and there's something about that color next to the green, and then that beautiful yellow diamond look. So that whole, and the yellowness, the depth of color in the pearl itself just brings all of those colors alive. I can't wait for you to get this home. It is really one of my favorites. I think it looks beautiful on the hand.
It's magnificent. I have it on my pointer finger.
Yeah,
and then
look
with
at the earrings. Really, just
pretty.
as lovely as can be.
They may be gone. I'm going to double check on that. And before we do, we want to say hi to Sandra in New York. Sandra, thank you for calling HSN.
Hi.
Hi, Sandra.
Hi, Heidi. I'm just so glad to talk to you. That caller before that said you are the queen of all queens. She was right.
Oh, thank you,
and
Sandra.
congratulations, Lynn, on your marriage.
Thank you, Sandra. Thank you so much.
You know what I want to ask you, Heidi? I have 1 million of your pieces.
You do.
How do I clean my
Good
crystals?
question.
Really, it's very... The #1 rule in all costume jewelry, not mine, and, really, firstly, you should be very careful of the creams or, don't spray your perfumes directly onto your jewelry because, it's just, there's alcohol in any kind of those sprays that, will break down the finishes. But really just use warm water, Sandra, and lightly rub. Really don't get, if you start brushing or, use something stronger, that's dangerous. But, really, a light water and a rag will just do it just fine.
Okay, good.
All right.
I want to say one more quick thing to you. I bought the Today's Special, the C.
Yes.
The C. But the ring I bought to go with it is your snake ring.
Well,
because I have a couple of your pearls already.
You want us to show you that?
No, I bought that.
Oh, well, you know, that snake ring is absolutely breathtaking.
We can show it.
So nice with my Today's Special, the blue.
Yes, you know, I'm going to show that for you.
Okay.
How about that,
We're going
Sandra?
to put that on there.
Okay, because that's what I got instead of the Pearl Today's Special that goes with it.
The Today's Special in the blue. Even though that's sold out, we're gonna tease everyone here.
Yeah,
for
we're
a
just
second,
going to show it to you. I think it may be a little strong for that, Sandra. I'm thinking that, but maybe not.
I don't know. I don't know if we can get it. This ring's going to be gone, by the way. Thank you, everybody. Sandra.
I bought it already.
Yeah.
She's smart. She's not wasting any time.
Come on, Heidi. I swear you get me in trouble.
Oh, Miss Sandra, that is my job, and I guess I'm doing it for you.
Sandra, thank you. If we can get just a quick shot here, guys. This is what Sandra was talking about. And you know what? I think it works. I mean, depending on...
Well, that's the good news. You know, you're really... If it's all in those hues and you pick it up, Sandra, you can work with it. Absolutely. Look at that other ring going right back to it,
even the green that Sandra ordered that one, too.